I always tried to look at the students and let them know that there was a personal connection to what they were doing. Sure, they're building walls, they're putting a roof on, they're installing cabinets, but I always took time out to look at the students and say, a family is going to move into that house, and they're going to have Christmases there, they're going to have birthdays, they're going to have celebrations, they're going to have high moments, they're going to have difficult moments in their lives. And I said, this is going to be a place where a family is going to come into and feel safe, feel that it's their space. They're going to come in and say, this is home. And for 50 years, Goshen Building Trades has been able to provide that in the community.
The Building Trades program was initiated in the 1920s and stopped the last house 1928-29 school year because of the Depression. And in the 1970s, early, the state created area career centers, and along with that, they supported local schools having their own vocational programs. And so our school board in 1976 made the recommendation to start a building trades program.
This is significant. I mean, you're 50. It just speaks to the, I think, the quality of the program and Goshen Community Schools' investment in the trades and helping young people gain confidence in the skills, related to the building trades.
Well, the 50th house. When I first started this job 3 years ago, did not realize that we were that close to the 50th house. It's significant. If you want to think what 50 years looked like back when they would have built the first home, I'm sure things were a lot different than what they are now. We're here to teach students the skills to be able to, if you wanted to work on your own home, if you wanted to get into the trade, of course, that's great. We'd like you to be able, we take those skills. Our goal is for them to leave this program with a better understanding and some of the basic skills to be able to do that type of work.
For me, personally, I've always been interested in the construction and always building things with Legos since I was a kid. So this was kind of a perfect opportunity to kind of pursue my interests and to see if I really wanted to do this for the rest of my life.
It was my vocation and my hobby. I did that in the summertime, weekends. I was always building something. I built a number of homes in the summertime and had a good relationship. This is my hometown. And I also felt it was a great program for kids to learn how to work, be responsible to work, and to have the opportunity to get a good job.
We treat it like it's a job, like you're gonna, the same way as if you're gonna go do a job for another construction company. We try to treat it the same way, so that way they have a realization of what it's really gonna be like.
The biggest problem was the trim work, just how precise you have to be and everything, and just how you have to be perfect, within a 16th. You can't mess up too much, or you have to start over. Michelin really helped us, make sure we got it right.
Kids haven't really, everybody says kids have changed. Yeah, at a certain point they have, but kids given the opportunity to prove themselves that they can succeed in a specific area, it goes a long ways for them to become an outstanding citizen, community member, and a family person.